Hi friends. So today we have Unit 4, Lesson 12, page 190. Last time we were working together, we were solving these math story problems that are addition and subtraction. This is the same lesson, just another page of practice. So just like before, when we solved two of them together, I'm going to do that same thing today, where we'll solve two of them together, and then I will read you the last two. And we should figure out if those are plus or minus before we turn off the video. So once again, we're drawing a math mountain to solve each word problem and then showing how we add or subtract. Showing means that we draw or write the equation and then show me how you solve those equations so I can see your work. The first one says, Sam has 47 marbles. Hank has 53 marbles. How many marbles do they have in all? Ooh, there it is again. In all. They're signaling that it's plus. Okay, so we're drawing that math mountain, and if it's plus, we don't know the total. So we can go ahead and write our partners down here. Stack up our numbers and add them together. You'll notice that I just did that kind of automatically. That's because I know that when I have numbers, I'm going to have to add or subtract them. And so it just saves time to just do that right away without even worrying about it. I figured out that it was going to be addition, so I just made sure to put those at the bottom because those are the partners. All right, go ahead and add up 7 plus 3. Oh, and just like last time, if you want to finish the page, turn it in, and get to work on iReady Math, you're welcome to do that. If you want to work with me, then that's great too. That's right, 7 plus 3 is 10. Our new 10 goes up here. Our 0 goes down there. Then we're going to add 5 tens plus 4 tens plus 1 10. Thank you. That's 10 tens, and so our answer is exactly 100 marbles. Make sure when you take a photograph of your work that I can see your numbers clearly. If I can't see your numbers, I can't correct it and help you change your mistakes. If I can't see your numbers, I don't know if you did everything correctly. So it's important that it's not a blurry picture or a faraway picture. All right, the next one. Mrs. Snap has 42 pencils. She gives 29 pencils to her students and puts the rest in a box. How many pencils does she put in the box? So how many pencils does she start with? Yeah, we know that she started with 42. How many pencils did she give away? Thank you. She gave away 29, which means we have to figure out the other partner. That means, are we going to add or subtract? Subtract, definitely, because she's giving them away. When something goes away, that means we're subtracting. So 42 minus 29. Is the big number on the top or the bottom? So do we need to ungroup? All right, that means we're going to go next door, X out that 4, take a 10 and leave that 4 with 3, and add that 10 to 12. 10 to 2. 10 plus 2, I already said it, equals 12. When you have the answer, go ahead and write it in the chat. She has 13 pencils left. All right, I'm going to go ahead and read the last two to you, and we'll figure out if these are adding and or subtracting. At the park, Pam collects 25 leaves. 18 are oak leaves, and the rest are maple leaves. How many are maple leaves? So do we know the total of leaves that she collected? We sure do. So this one is going to be subtraction, because we're going to put that 25 up top here and the 18 down here. I'm going to figure out that mystery box right there. Okay, number 8 says, Mr. Vasquez, oh, that's like Eric. Mr. Vasquez has 64 paintbrushes. He gives the art teacher 8 paintbrushes. How many paintbrushes does Mr. Vasquez have left? Do we know the total? Is he giving something away? All right, so we have another subtraction equation there. When you're finished, make sure you take a clear photograph that I can see your work in.